Hello, dear friends. It's so good to be here again. Thank you so much for tuning in. Yes, this is Saffron Media, and we are here to give you the best, the most trending, exciting, reliable, and authentic happenings in Nigeria, especially in the area of politics. And of course, we're here to serve you the latest and the most trending gist in Nigeria, especially in the area of politics. So, guys, right here, remember that the President Muhammad Buhari actually banned Twitter from Nigeria, and users of Twitter in Nigeria have not been able to access that app in the past few weeks. And, the president as well has been under fire for actually banning this app from being used in Nigeria because really a lot of young Nigerians use it as a means of, promoting their businesses. And also many of them have their businesses right there on that social media app. And, a lot of people actually felt that for the president to ban Twitter, it actually means that he is not a friend to democracy. Even though he was democratically elected as a president, he still believes that he can oppress the people because with the way the president have been handling situations in the country recently actually shows that he is an enemy of democracy. I think he prefers the military rule because that is exactly what he is using. Because even if it were to be the military rule, it would have been much more better. But in a democratic setting where things continue to happen like this, it is, heartbreaking. It's actually heart wrenching. But anyway, guys, let's see what right here because Ecowas have actually served Buhari a hearing notice. Yes, what will the Ecowas do? Nigerians have actually relied on the UN and the likes to actually intervene in most of the issues Nigeria has had in the last few months or years. But unfortunately, there's been no positive outcome from this guy. So Nigerians have actually lost hope, in relying on anyone than to believe and also trust only in God. Yes, and let us find out what ECOWAS has have to say because now they've served a notice. When would they, would the president actually allow such to happen? Would he actually follow through with his invitation or not? Well, we'll find out in this report, but please ensure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell, ensure you like and also share this video. Okay, guys, without further ado, it says right here that the ECOWAS Court of Justice has served hearing notice on the Buhari government in the suit filed by Serap and 176 Nigerians on the unlawful suspension of Twitter. The suit is fixed for 22nd of June 2021 for the hearing of application of interim orders, Serap said on Twitter on Monday night. Having been duly served, President Buhari should immediately rescind the suspension of Twitter pending the hearing of the application for the sake of the integrity and sanctity of the courts, the rule of law and Nigeria's leadership role in the ECOWAS sub-region. Serap added in the updates on the case. The case was filed last week to challenge President Muhammad Buhari's ban on the microblogging social media platform. Nigeria's leading human rights lawyer, Mr. Femi Falana, is representing the 177 plaintiffs. They sued Buhari for criminalization of Nigerians and other people using Twitter and the escalating repression of human rights, particularly the rights to freedom of expression, access to information, and media freedom in the country. In the suit number ECW/CCJ/APP/23/21 filed 8th of June before the ECOWAS Community Court of Justice in Abuja, Serap and the concerned Nigerians are seeking an order of interim injunction restraining the federal government from implementing its suspension of Twitter in Nigeria. The 177 Nigerians also seek a stay order on government from subjecting anyone, including media houses, broadcast stations using Twitter in Nigeria, to harassment, intimidation, arrest, and criminal prosecution pending the hearing and determination of the substantive suit. In the suit, the plaintiff contend that if this application is not urgently granted, the federal government will continue to arbitrarily suspend Twitter and threaten to impose criminal and other sanctions on Nigerians, telecommunication companies, media houses, broadcast stations, and other people using Twitter in Nigeria. The perpetual order sought in this suit might be rendered nugatory. Yes, obviously, the government is bent on silencing Nigerians. Yes, because it happened during the NSAS protest where they silenced a lot of young Nigerians, and up to this moment, they covered every of their tracks so that they will not be held responsible for the killings of those NSAS protesters in October 20th in the year 2020. But of course, it has happened again in 2021, and the first of it now, it's the ban on Twitter, and now they are saying that they want Twitter and other social media microblogging platform to also come and register in Nigeria, build a physical office, and all of that. Like this is not feasible. It is not. I wonder who is giving the president or the presidency all of these are vague ideas because they just don't make sense. If these people are even ruling Nigeria out of their businesses, the truth is they have nothing to actually lose, though they will lose some money at the beginning, but at the end of it all, they'll forget if this set of people actually existed. So it is for the advantage of Nigeria and Nigerians. So it is an opportunity to use the app to our advantage. But because our government is not saying that this is to the advantage of Nigerians, that is why they are acting in this manner. That is why they feel that Nigerians are using it in the other way. It is because they are not seeing the advantage of it. That is why they keep seeing the disadvantage, saying Nigerians are using it to harass the government, using it to portray fake news and all of that. Why don't they see it as an avenue that can make Nigerians and the youth their lives better? Because what they are saying is really, really different. That is why they have actually taken the step of banning Twitter, because we don't know how many more apps the government would ban in Nigeria, because really there's no job for the youth, there's nothing, but yet our government is still making life unbearable for the citizens. But at this point, I believe that Ecowas should be able to call the president and the presidency back to order, because it is very, very important that they are called back to order, because they are taking a lot of decisions that would jeopardize the happiness and the unity of this country. They will never know, but I can tell you that even if they are able to stay till 2023, by the time they are out of office, this country will be a total mess because of the way they have left it. So really, we hope that ECOWAS and others who are willing to help will be able to bring Nigeria out of that mess. So that is it, dear friends. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Whatever you have to say about this, please drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do have a pleasant time. Bye for now.